Hey people, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now today we're there upon a little fishing, you understand, cause you know rain kinda fast, the river kinda get heavy and dark. So we're gonna share with you today so we can go on if we can catch some fish. Yeah, so hoping you guys enjoy this vlog and keep on watching. Keep it locked. So here we are going now people. Right now the rain kinda come down wicked in the bush, you understand? So yeah. See there? They on it same way, you know. We are go through. You understand? Cause man, you free the water, man. You ready? Free the water.
Water cold, man.
Eh?
Water cold.
Water cold. John, no. Right now I'm stuck right here, so you know, cause you have to move right now. Yeah.
Wilderness camp.
In the camp.
Wilderness camp.
Yeah.
Banana leaf and umbrella. House.
Oh, it go.
House.
You see the umbrella that dirty?
Yeah, man, the umbrella this is. Yeah,
Cool,
man,
no?
house. House.
That's the movements again.
Movement house.
Movements. So I go on, I'm not on the umbrella. Right now I'm soak. I wouldn't reach over yet. Seems like a rough day still, but you know, you can keep on doing it the same way. The man they're skilling on the man like for them umbrella, you know. So I'm alone on an umbrella. No look good. Ratty. Ratty. Let me get one banana trash now. One banana leaf now.
Banana leaf.
Get one leaf now. Yeah man, respect. So get my banana leaf now.
Yo. Put a seafood there, man. And a business I want to go on. Come.
Alright, so we can find two worm now. I'm gonna go and dig some worm. Yeah man. Look up, you know.
Okay, if I go and cover my back. When we have to can bend on to the room, we can't wait.
You cover your back. If you cover your back, easy.
I'm not going to say that much, then, you know.
Man, free that shit, man.
They put a big dirt out there, man. When I flip it on a dirt like I have enough room already. Where are the rats? You come from? What do you put? You want to remember you can look on this one? And the big room you have waste or something? No room now look. Look up it.
Alright, no from there, you know, so. Yeah, so.
Brother, see one quarter leg there upon the machine too?
Kill him, kill him.
No man,
See them?
man. Quarter leg that, you know. You don't try to kill everything. When you see right something to kill, you can't kill it, you know.
Yeah.
When you see right something to kill, you can't kill it.
No, I go on.
You don't want a man kill us out, make your quarter leg go and live, man. No, you see come a river, him alone a big house. Umbrellas.
You say him alone,
Alone have umbrellas.
alone have umbrella.
Yeah, him alone have house. Rich man. Yeah. Always a secure. What about down on a beach towel today? Where you get money from?
Yes, it.
Yeah, what about down having beach towel?
Yeah. Man, I had the face.
In big bread. You're mad man. Make you market have a man. Oh, no easy. Yo. Thing turn up. YouTube video but I kill myself. Right now I kill myself I'm on the arena. I have to go back.
Yo.
That one is you. You must be mad man. You didn't must have a man.
Rain kind of hold up now.
I know the rain are wet here, you know, have good nerves are stiff, you know.
Mm.
Yeah, you have it tough. Have all the rum in your bag and in your...
Come Dylan, come. No go to check out me with them.
Yeah, people. Reach from the river you know.
Right here, man. Yeah, now we are doing it, grandma.
I see I go on now.
Catch one there.
Right.
See what catch one
Right there. See how look of fish there, so?
Where you catch?
Some days I catch them and move down this.
I catch it on Benji.
How many real perch in there, Benji? How perch water? Right, that's up. Yeah.
Benji.
Benji, come back out here sleep.
Ramani?
Eh? What else went out there was over there?
Benji. This a catch?
Oh, catch him well.
Who catch him?
Who's it?
Eh, so where you catch?
You need them this up.
Where you catch?
You need them when they never.
No, where you catch? Yeah.
Catch one size on this thing, you know?
Eh, where in there?
Never.
Cross the river.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the side there.
A real thing, you know.
What is someone?
Over there, so we go for
Yeah.
choice. And
Yeah,
chew.
And chew.
He said that way the better.
I mean, man.
Now you send the shallow water.
I put the phone in my bag, my yacht. I think they're not bag, you know. Right now, you can't come to the bench, there'll be a spoon and something like that. Right now, that man go over there, so in line, you cannot drop your deep water. Like sharp. You know, time to jump over there, man. I mean, but me and I, come on, me see water, I know it's over there, fish.
Why some more heavy for chew? Alright, so here we are going now, people. You see, we're there up on the river. Rain a fall. As you guys can see. But right now, what we're going to do is that we're going to cross the river here. Go over the next side. Go do some fishing. Yeah, because over the next side more better than over here. So over here is a big stone. Yeah, so we're across right now. And you guys will see pre. Eh? Where are they? Oh. Yeah. I must reach class now. Yeah.
Wait up.
Yeah. Thing wait up. One to go up on the fear. No go over. We can't get to go and eat. But them ripe off. Not one go over. Yes, I spot this now. Yeah. Alright, just so. How down this? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so there now Walco spot ya. I go and show some line, you see it. So right now I want to see who catch the first fish for the day. Yeah, I really want to see that. Who catch the first fish for the day. So hope you guys stay tuned and also I go and same way. Who catch the first fish. I want to small fish and some big fish we are trying to catch. Yeah. No, not up? Eh?
Good kind of fish me I feed, a fish me I catch.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
True, man. Nothing yet? Eh? Not up. There you go, too much eye line, man. Look at that line, you know. The wind is still. Yeah. Yeah.
Show off it.
Mm-hmm. They're not pick.
Before this long.
Right there, you're not pick.
Yes.
I feel something. Go on, man. What? Hold him, man. Let me see, man. First one, this. So I take it the first one. Not bad. Nah, not bad. So him that. Mm. Yeah. If you say the winner fallings,
Yeah, man, off a region, yeah, man.
are they like,
Then I go really come up as you know, to that.
Yeah.
See what I say?
yeah.
Down there, so.
Yeah, right. I clean and dirty place.
Take me a get up.
Like it?
Is that one hook?
Whoop.
Please, is that one hook?
I don't know how they catch the fish already.
Mm-hmm.
No?
True, yes. There. Two? Not bad.
One.
The man are layered too, you know.
Huh?
The man is thinking fish on occasion, you know.
Layer.
Yeah, man.
5.
Yeah. You snake fish on occasion, man. When a forward, man. Alright, we make a move now. You still the same way? So you now move. Alrighty, one more this. So you move. Yeah. Them man are real fisherman, you know. That's it. Yeah, man. There's a big one, this, brother draw in. I wonder what one for Ely ranks down there, so. No, I say nothing. Not even see him.
Too quick.
Yeah, man, he moved too quick, man. It's like a yesterday spot. You know what I'm going to now? I line up my little liner, so you know, you see it. See it, yeah?
Yeah, set it to one and we catch all it, you know.
Alright, so. I'm going to set this to me, isn't it? Because I'm going to throw to it, you know. See its speed, so we can catch. Yeah, man, just go and beat it, but you see it. So we can throw to same way. Yeah, so I'm there right now, see it, yeah. There I go and throw my little line, you know. So we can catch same way. Yeah. Kind of feel like a pickings, you know. Yeah, I kind of feel like a pickings. Yeah, man, I feel something. I'm sure I'm going still. So I forget something today. Real thing, man. One there, so. One down there, so. One down over there, so. Right there, so. Yeah, people, so they are same way I try to catch some fish, but it go rough. Swear it go rough. Catch two so far. Them boys say they catch two over there, so. Cross the river. You see it, so. So them say, I don't know what it is. I have to go see it for myself. Yeah, we there same way. Some line there. So, just go and see if we can get some picture now. And see what can go on, you understand? more ratty. Nothing more. Rough. See it, man. The worst thing I know. Man?
Worst thing with them, yeah.
Mm.
Can't catch up now, rain go fall.
Yeah, that no one right now. Cause wet and dry back and wet again, you know. Problem that. Yeah, problem that right now.
Yeah. No bully beef and bread. Stay there. Bully beef and bread, you talk about. Rain drops you get. Rain drops, Dylan. Rain drops. No bully beef and bread. Look for your knife. Yeah. KFC there for your mind.
What you want is? Boy want KFC.
Yeah. And prime I want to go warm up.
See it.
Man miss ganja. Man miss KFC.
Mm.
Internet.
Yeah,
Where?
I used to live my life, man.
Mad man. Where? When you come here, you beat him, man. Slavery.
Slavery.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Cause slavery, I know.
When you come here, slavery, man.
I don't lie.
I tell you?
Yeah, man, ready.
When you hear Puff G call you, man, no. Tell you say now walk there, sir.
What up your walk, man?
Tell we walk about boat, son.
Cause right now rain come in the people, so you know what go on. You have to move.
So where you go? Nothing you need.
Nothing you know what the weapon.
That's your man.
Yeah, man, playing ankle. Can't cross.
Then I say, ah, there you see me.
Yeah.
I say, man, then nobody go.
When you ready, you ready.
Ready?
Ready now, West? First then go back up. Cause rain now come in. I'm a journaling now so I can go on feet. Cause not good people, not good. I say not good.
Not good.
Not no good.
In the weather, yeah.
In the weather, not no good.
If you're not hungry, enough things come down the river already.
Yeah, man.
Enough things come down the river already.
Nah pick.
Nah, pick. Nah, pick.
Yeah.
So how that good you know?
Yeah.
The water flood out.
Well, no.
Now wish that, man.
When you saw?
No.
When we on the next side?
Exactly, no.
Yeah.
When we down we hard, man.
I come a morning early.
Yeah.
Early.
He all draw.
So,
So where do the river?
we now left them down so we go to some can make a one show. That is it. Push them out. Enough something you have to take up in a ratty.
You want stick, man? Put them on.
Yeah. I look for stick.
Can chop sticks? It's a knife. It's a knife.
Up high top.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, mash it. Yeah. Management.
Nah, left the river, you know?
No, sir.
That man a real river garland.
See, don't say that.
Nah, left the river.
Then walk with it. Oh, better walk with them, can't take up in it.
The man a
What is that?
Go past there, nice. So, people, now I go on now, I make a move. Cause I get no fish. So, we're going to move now. So, we get two. Yeah, man.
You're afraid of me, you know?
Yeah. So now, so I can go on some chocolate punch here. Alright. I get some chocolate, yeah. Look nice enough, people. So I'm gonna people. Chocolate this side now. Jelly that good? Eh? On a young still. Is it? Keep see what I'm gonna keep. Nice, nice. Yeah. Chocolate, yeah. Does it look heavy, brother? Does it look heavy? And dangerous. Where is the crossing on right there?
Yeah, boy, look here. Are they rapid?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, look here.
What for going on now? Right now, people, this year, what you have to cross right now look dangerous. I swear. Look dangerous. But across it still. You understand? So I'm sure know what's going on. John no star. Say what a deep? Say what a deep, brother? Yeah. What's going on now? Finally crosser now. I make a move go out. Yeah. There. It's a jelly. Like young Dorothy. Sweet? Fresh. How is it going, Ratty?
I big fish alone did it.
Yeah.
Small one disappear.
Gone. John, no. Rough. Big things. Big things, people, I tell you. So, right now, it was a fun day still. It was an epic one, you know. What type of things happen? What type of laughter? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, you know. And as always, peace out.